Well, we're continuing to track some rain chances here as we get into our Tuesday. Again, a lot of us heading off to work or school for the first time this week, but you want to have the umbrella with you. We're going to track that chance for some showers throughout the day. But again, throughout much of it, most of us going to be staying dry. There's going to be a lot of dry time in between some of these showers. I think our better shot at probably picking one or two of those up is going to be closer towards 6 and 7 o'clock as we get into this evening. Here's the latest look at future track. And again, what's left on the board is going to work its way south and east of I-44. It's going to get out of our hair, but we're not out of the woods just yet because we could see, again, some of this widely isolated activity starting to crop back up later today. But again, generally speaking, most of us going to be staying dry both today and tomorrow. That coverage looks pretty isolated here as we get into our Wednesday as well. I think we finally sweep it out of here as we get into Thursday because that jet stream is going to start to retreat well up to the north right now. A little bit of a sloppy mess, but going to retreat well up to the north as we get into this weekend, and that's going to spell a little bit of a different weather pattern for us as we get into this weekend. Going to be dancing around those rain chances today and tomorrow, but it's also going to be feeling summer-like as we get into at least on the other side of Thursday or so. That's going to be spelling some warmer temperatures, but we also have those spotty rain chances here that are going to be really kind of firing up into the heat of the day. Those pop-up storms, a little bit of a headache to forecast, but it might be what we have to dance around as we get into Saturday and Sunday. Looking at that weekend forecast. Temperatures, though, going to be warming up pretty nicely. Those winds out of the south certainly doing the trick as we close out that work week, but temperatures back into the 80s. So it's going to feel a little bit more like a taste of summer as we get into meteorological summer here. Today's the first day we start keeping records for some of those hotter months around mid-Missouri. Some warmer temperatures headed our direction by this weekend.